Did you know there's a tree that can literally breathe underwater? A tree that even grows in salt water? And a plant that protects the coastline from superstorms? Today we delve into the wondrous world of mangrove forests. This isn't just any forest, it's a crucial, groundbreaking ecosystem. We'll explore the key geographical concepts that explain how these trees survive and why they're vital to our planet. Mangroves are found in tropical and subtropical climates, along the coastlines of more than 100 countries. But their habitat is one of the harshest environments on Earth, the intertidal zone. They grow on mudflats in river deltas and estuaries. It's a constant battle against three factors: saltwater, unstable soil, and oxygen deficiency. The muddy soil is anaerobic, meaning it contains almost no oxygen. For most plants, this would be fatal. But the mangrove is a master of adaptation. This brings us to 6 important characteristics. These 6 are halophytes, pneumatophores, viviparity, coastal protection, carbon sequestration. Nursery for biodiversity. 1. Halophytes. This is the term for plants that are salt-tolerant. Mangroves are unique trees that can tolerate salty seawater. Some species filter salt from the roots. Others actively excrete salt through glands on their leaves. 2. Pneumatophores. Look at those striking, upward-pointing roots. These are the aerial roots, or pneumatophores. They function like snorkels. They provide the much-needed gas exchange, allowing the tree to breathe when the muddy ground is submerged at high tide. 3. Live-bearing, also called viviparity. To survive in the intertidal zone, they employ a clever reproductive tactic. The seeds germinate while still on the tree and develop into slender, living seedlings, the propagules. These fall into the mud, anchor themselves, and immediately begin to grow. Floating in the water, they can use the current to colonize new areas. The mangrove's adaptations are impressive, but the benefits for people and nature are truly spectacular. 4. Coastal protection and sedimentation. The dense, winding root systems form a natural, flexible dike. They stabilize the coastline and prevent erosion by dampening the force of waves. Moreover, they trap sediment, literally creating land and growing with sea level. Coasts with mangroves are much better protected against storm surges and even tsunamis. 5. Carbon sequestration. Blue carbon. This is perhaps their most important role in combating climate change. Mangroves are among the most carbon-rich forests in the world. They store up to 4 times more carbon than other tropical forests, primarily in the oxygen-poor soil. This carbon sequestration is also known as blue carbon. 6. Nursery for biodiversity. The complex roots provide a sheltered habitat and a perfect nursery for young fish, shrimp, crabs, and shellfish, making them crucial for local fisheries and the oceanic food chain. Unfortunately, these natural superheroes are under enormous pressure. The world loses large swaths of mangroves every year due to human activities, such as fish farms and construction. This leads to a dangerous geographical phenomenon, the Mangrove Squeeze. The forest is literally being squeezed between advancing land use on one side and rising sea levels on the other. They have nowhere to go and are at risk of disappearing. Mangrove forests adorn the coasts of the world's tropical and subtropical zones, with a large concentration in Asia. The Sundarbans, the world's largest contiguous mangrove area, lies in the Ganges-Brahmaputra Delta, on the border of India and Bangladesh. In Southeast Asia, the coasts of Indonesia and Malaysia are rich in diverse mangrove species. In the Americas, important systems exist, such as the Florida Keys in the U.S. and the vast coastal forests of Brazil and Mexico. Africa's Atlantic and Indian Ocean coasts, particularly in Nigeria and Mozambique, also harbor vital mangrove ecosystems. Mangroves can even be found in the Netherlands, specifically on Bonaire. Bonaire's mangroves, primarily found around Lac Bai, form a unique and essential protected ecosystem that serves as a nursery for countless marine animals. The Ranong coastline, located in southwestern Thailand on the Andaman Sea, is known for its extensive and biodiverse mangrove forests. This area perfectly illustrates the threats posed by human activities, primarily by fish and shrimp farms. In the 1980s and 1990s, vast swaths of mangrove forest were cleared and drained to make way for commercial shrimp farms. Mangrove mud, rich in nutrients, lends itself well to the construction of these ponds. This led to massive deforestation and the destruction of the natural nurseries of local fish. The mangrove forests are being squeezed by development on the landward side and by rising sea levels on the seaward side. The immediate consequence has been a sharp decline in biodiversity and the coastal area's ability to withstand erosion. Many of the shrimp farms were abandoned after a few years due to disease and soil degradation, leaving abandoned, toxic ponds where a thriving forest once stood. So remember, halophytes with pneumatophores growing in the intertidal zone provide coastal protection and carbon sequestration. A complex ecosystem that deserves to be protected. Now that you know all about mangrove forests, you can test your knowledge with this quiz I've created for you. It covers all the geographic terms we've covered, such as brackish water, carbon sequestration, coastal protection, and the different locations of mangroves. You can find this free exercise on an educational website. Find the link to the quiz in the description of this video. We've seen the incredible balance of mangrove forests and systems working together to protect the coastline and nourish life. Preserving these biomes, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountain peaks, is our collective responsibility. If you're hungry for more knowledge, you can, for example, play this exercise about the 16 different biomes we have on Earth, or you can broaden your knowledge by watching other geography videos of mine. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about the world around you.